Introducing CCH Tagetik Extended Planning, a best-in-class continuous planning solution that enables finance teams to plan smarter and act faster via its advanced AI-based what-if analysis, scenario simulations, and predictive forecasting tools. Let's dive in. We'll start on the home page, your planning command center. Fully configurable, you can easily design your home page to highlight information most relevant to your role. Here, we get an at-a-glance view of performance. We have aggregated metrics, like revenues, as well as more granular information, like revenues across regions, countries, or products. Before we start planning, let's explore how you can check the status of a plan in progress. The CCH Tagetik Process Cockpit gives you full visibility into all steps involved in creating a plan. To keep plans on track and identify issues quickly, you can easily see overall progress, which divisions have completed tasks, and any submissions, delays, or rejections. Now that we've checked the status of our plans, let's explore how CCH Tagetik manages planning data. To help organizations make better decisions and efficiently execute strategy, planning processes in CCH Tagetik follow a structured, step-by-step workflow that uses AI-based data validation and anomaly detection to import data, transform it, and validate it, as you can see here. With all data validated and assured, we can move on to more advanced planning activities, like AI driver-based analysis. Our driver-based analysis report uses machine learning to compare actual values with key drivers. Here, you can see the impact of price, discount, quantity, and inflation on the forecast, giving you clear insights for better decisions. When it comes to your planning strategy, CCH Tagetik enables you to define your long-term strategy and then map it to operational plans. Our operational strategy report provides a concise recap of your strategy, including its definition and associated risks. Here you can see how easy it is to adjust assumptions like quantities or discounts and see immediate effects on revenue and variance. You can also see important details like the average inflation trend for a given region. Now for another advanced planning task, simulations. Our AI-based simulations let you test multiple strategies and explore outcomes before making decisions. Here, you can see how CCH Tagetik lays out scenarios and visualizes impacts. With the ability to run simulations in an instant, you can quickly identify if a plan is viable, or if you need to make adjustments to influence results. Not only can you simulate strategies, but then you can compare versions. Here, we're comparing two strategies, V1, low GHG emissions, and V2, sustainable expansion. CCH Tagetik calculates the delta versus the base case, so you can see which approach drives the best results. With version comparison, you can always be confident you're pursuing the plan most likely to result in a best-case scenario. From these simulations, we can use predictive intelligence to adjust forecasts, test even more scenarios, and make data-driven decisions for the remainder of the year. With the click of a button, you can easily display all updates and insights in easy-to-read graphs and matrices. The P&L report shows an actual versus forecast analysis for the period. In this case, we're looking at a report on customer division. We can drill into details, conduct variance analysis, or even create a dashboard. We can also compare this year's actuals with next year's forecast and see a year of detailed P&L results by month. With CCH Tagetik Extended Planning, the possibilities are truly endless. And that's a quick look at CCH Tagetik Extended Planning. By uniting strategic, financial, operational, and supply chain planning in one platform, you can make smarter decisions faster and enable continuous planning across your organization.